Welcome to Life Theory and our intake on 10 jobs at risk of disappearing in 20 years due to AI advancements. In this eye-opening discussion, we'll explore how the rapid rise of AI technology is transforming various industries and posing a threat to numerous jobs. From customer service to manufacturing, and from accounting to journalism, we'll delve deep into the roles that may become obsolete or significantly altered in the coming years. So buckle up and join us as we navigate the future of work in the age of AI. Number 1. Customer service jobs. Travel agents, telemarketers, customer service representatives, bank tellers, receptionists, and postman couriers. The customer service industry has long been seen as a sector ripe for disruption by AI technology, and as AI advancements continue, various roles within this field are at risk. Among the jobs likely to be affected are travel agents, telemarketers, customer service representatives, bank tellers, receptionists, and postman couriers. Travel agents, for example, are already facing stiff competition from online booking platforms that leverage AI algorithms to provide personalized travel recommendations. As these platforms become even more sophisticated, they may eliminate the need for human agents altogether. Telemarketers face a similar predicament, as AI-driven systems are being developed to handle outbound sales and marketing calls. These systems can work tirelessly around the clock and are not prone to the fatigue or demotivation that human telemarketers may experience. Customer service representatives and bank tellers may find their roles replaced by AI systems capable of handling customer requests and transactions more efficiently and accurately. These AI systems can address a wide range of inquiries, from simple account balances to more complex transactions and financial advice, reducing the need for human staff to perform these tasks. Receptionists are also at risk, as AI-powered virtual assistants are becoming increasingly adept at managing appointments, answering questions, and even making small talk. This technology could replace the need for a human receptionist in various settings, from offices to hotels. Lastly, postmen and couriers could see their jobs diminish as autonomous delivery vehicles and drones become more common. These technologies have the potential to greatly streamline the delivery process, reducing the need for human labor and improving efficiency. Number 2. Manufacturing jobs. Manufacturing workers. The manufacturing sector is undergoing a significant transformation, driven by AI advancements and automation technologies. This shift is leading to increased efficiency and productivity, but it also poses a threat to manufacturing jobs, particularly those involving repetitive tasks or requiring minimal skills. Robots and automated systems are increasingly taking over various aspects of production, from assembly lines to quality control. As these technologies become more sophisticated, they are capable of performing tasks with greater precision and at a faster pace than human workers. Consequently, the demand for human labor in the manufacturing sector may decline. However, it's important to note that not all manufacturing jobs will be negatively impacted by AI advancements. Some roles will likely evolve into more high-tech positions, requiring specialized skills and training in areas like robotics, programming, or engineering. These jobs will become increasingly valuable in the future manufacturing landscape, as they will be responsible for designing, programming, and maintaining the very systems that are replacing traditional manufacturing roles. Number 3. Accounting and bookkeeping jobs. Bookkeepers and accountants. The accounting and bookkeeping industry is another field that is likely to be significantly impacted by AI advancements. Machine learning algorithms are already capable of processing large volumes of data and performing complex calculations quickly and accurately, reducing the need for human input in these tasks. As AI technologies become more prevalent in the accounting industry, many traditional bookkeeping tasks may be performed by automated systems. For example, data entry and reconciliation could be managed by AI systems that can quickly and accurately process financial information. This shift will likely lead to a reduction in demand for human bookkeepers and accountants, particularly for routine tasks. However, the accounting profession will not disappear altogether. Instead, it may shift towards more strategic financial planning and decision-making, with human accountants playing a crucial role in guiding businesses through complex financial landscapes. Number 4. Data entry and meter reading jobs. Data entry clerks and meter readers. As AI technology becomes more sophisticated, data entry and meter reading jobs are at risk of being replaced by automated systems. Optical character recognition and natural language processing technologies can now efficiently and accurately process written and spoken information, eliminating the need for manual data entry. These AI-powered systems are capable of scanning and interpreting documents, such as invoices or receipts, in a fraction of the time it would take a human data entry clerk. This increased efficiency, combined with a reduced risk of human error, makes AI-driven data entry an attractive option for businesses looking to streamline their operations. Meter reading jobs are also at risk, as the utility sector increasingly adopts smart meters and remote monitoring systems. These technologies allow utility companies to collect data on customer energy consumption without the need for a human meter reader to visit each property. As smart meters become more prevalent, the demand for human meter readers may decrease significantly. Number 5. Journalism jobs. Print journalists. While journalism as a profession is unlikely to disappear completely, the rise of AI and automation poses a significant threat to print journalists. AI algorithms are now capable of generating news stories and articles quickly and accurately, potentially replacing the need for human writers in some cases. These algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data to identify newsworthy events and craft coherent stories, even incorporating relevant quotes and statistical information. Additionally, the shift towards digital media consumption has led to a decline in print journalism jobs. As newspapers struggle to maintain their readership and revenue, many are cutting staff or transitioning to online-only formats. This has further reduced the demand for print journalists, as their skills become less relevant in the digital age. However, this doesn't mean that journalism as a whole is doomed. Instead, the profession may need to adapt to the changing landscape, focusing on in-depth investigative reporting, analysis, and storytelling that are less susceptible to AI-generated content. Journalists who can offer unique perspectives and insights that AI algorithms cannot replicate will remain valuable in the industry. Number 6. Retail jobs. Retail salespeople. The retail sector has already experienced significant disruption due to the rise of e-commerce, and AI advancements may further impact retail jobs, particularly those of salespeople. As AI-driven recommendation engines become more sophisticated, they can offer personalized shopping suggestions to customers, reducing the need for human salespeople to assist with product selection. In addition, advancements in autonomous checkout systems and inventory management technologies are further reducing the need for human labor in retail settings. As these technologies become more widespread, retail salespeople may find their roles increasingly redundant, with fewer opportunities available in brick-and-mortar stores. Number 7. Legal jobs. Paralegals. AI advancements are poised to revolutionize the legal profession, with automation and machine learning technologies increasingly being used to handle routine tasks such as document review and legal research. Paralegals, in particular, may find their jobs at risk as AI-powered systems become more adept at performing these tasks with greater speed and accuracy. However, AI is unlikely to replace all legal jobs, as the profession requires complex reasoning, negotiation, and decision-making skills that are difficult to replicate with current technology. Instead, the legal profession may need to adapt to a changing landscape, with lawyers focusing more on strategy, advocacy, and client relations, while AI systems handle the more mundane aspects of the job. Number 8. Food service jobs. Fast food workers. Fast food workers are particularly at risk as AI advancements continue to make inroads into the food service industry. Automated systems are increasingly being used to prepare and serve food, reducing the need for human labor in fast food restaurants. For example, robot chefs are now capable of flipping burgers, making pizzas, and even preparing salads. These automated systems can work quickly and efficiently, with minimal risk of contamination or foodborne illness. As these technologies become more widespread, the demand for human fast food workers may decline significantly. Despite this trend, it's important to note that not all food service jobs will be affected by AI advancements. Higher-end restaurants and dining establishments that rely on the human touch for a unique dining experience will likely still require skilled chefs and service staff. However, workers in fast food and other quick-service establishments may need to consider retraining or upskilling in order to remain competitive in the job market. Number 9. Sales jobs. Telemarketers and retail salespeople. As previously mentioned, AI advancements pose a threat to sales jobs, particularly telemarketers and retail salespeople. AI-driven systems are being developed to handle outbound sales calls, offering personalized product recommendations and marketing messages without the need for human intervention. These AI systems can work tirelessly around the clock, engaging with potential customers in multiple languages, and even adapting their sales pitch based on real-time customer feedback. This level of efficiency and personalization is difficult for human telemarketers to match, making AI-driven sales a compelling option for businesses. Retail salespeople face similar challenges, as AI-powered recommendation engines and autonomous checkout systems reduce the need for human assistance in brick-and-mortar stores. As a result, sales jobs may become less abundant, with fewer opportunities for human workers in this field. Number 10. Research and analysis jobs: data entry clerks, bookkeepers, and accountants. Data entry clerks, bookkeepers, and accountants are among the research and analysis jobs at risk due to AI advancements. As mentioned earlier, AI technologies like optical character recognition and natural language processing are increasingly being used to process large volumes of data quickly and accurately, eliminating the need for manual data entry. Similarly, machine learning algorithms are being employed to analyze financial data and perform complex calculations, reducing the need for human accountants and bookkeepers. As these technologies become more sophisticated, research and analysis jobs may shift towards more strategic roles, with a greater emphasis on decision-making and planning. In conclusion, AI advancements pose a threat to a wide range of jobs across various industries. However, this doesn't necessarily mean that these jobs will disappear entirely. Rather, the nature of many professions will likely evolve, with a greater emphasis on skills and tasks that are less susceptible to automation. Workers in at-risk industries should consider retraining or upskilling to remain competitive in the job market and adapt to the changing landscape. And until next time, keep on rising.